Okay, first of all, this is Savage Fenty. I just want to say that. This is the best pajamas I ever owned in my life.
Okay, and this is City Lab. Yeah. Like, niggas, bro.
It's a challenge, right? I'm going to make a facial expression. You have to make the noise that goes with the facial expression. And vice versa. Do you want to go first or you want me to go first?
What?
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
Did you understand the instructions? Are you
So
ready?
I'm gonna do a voiceover to your face expression.
Yeah, a sound that you think goes with it. You have to do the sound as I'm doing the face,
Oh, okay,
my
okay,
guy.
okay, That's like vapor, smoking or some shit, right?
The sound that goes. No, that face would have been.
You went,
I said,
yeah.
who coughs like?
No, after you, it's.
But did I say the face expression after, or did I say the one that I'm doing? What did I say?
Yeah, redo good.
I gotta do a new face, my nigga. It was 2 faces, my nigga. Oh, I don't even have that many faces.
Please don't use the N-word. I just came from a course with Dr. Umar Johnson.
Now my turn. You make a face. Bro, what are you doing? That's the face? Your sounds do not go.
What do you mean?
They don't be making no sense.